Welcome back, people. Have an exciting 1911 to show off from Auto-Ordnance. One of the most expensive firearms in the collection, too. Now, you can see any of those firearms in the playlist link in the description below, with more brand new guns to present in the coming weeks, so like and sub to witness all of that. Anyway, straight from Auto-Ordnance's press release states as follows. Auto-Ordnance is proud to present the Trump Fight Limited Edition 1911, a tribute to the resilience and determination of the President. This custom pistol is a collaboration with the skilled team of Outlaw Ordnance, designed to commemorate President Trump's steadfast fight for America, even in the wake of the violent assassination attempt on July 13, 2024. The Trump Fight 1911 is a striking piece of craftsmanship, featuring bold engravings such as USA Stand United, 45th and 47th POTUS, and God Bless America. The slide is adorned with powerful imagery, including the President's wounded yet resolute stance and his call to fight. The grips are meticulously detailed with images of President Trump rising to his feet, standing strong before the American flag. This stainless steel pistol is enhanced with a Cerakote graphite black, gold, and USMC red finish, creating a visually stunning and durable firearm. Starting with an Auto-Ordnance stainless model 1911 chambered in .45, the Trump Fight custom pistol is equipped with features highly desired by modern shooters, such as a true glow white 3-dot sights, a full-length guide rod, high sweep beaver tail, skeletonized trigger, checkered front strap, serrated and ported slide, and a match-grade barrel. One 7-round stainless steel magazine is included. The Trump Fight 1911 is more than a beautiful work of art and a powerful patriotic statement. It is a precision shooting instrument designed for use and enjoyment. With an MSRP of $1,870, this exclusive pistol is a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts alike. And that is the end of the press release. My suggestion is that you should search the internet for better pricing than what the MSRP. They're out there, you just have to find it. With that, enjoy this range video with our first shots. You all stay well, stay trained, stay accurate. See you next time. Ciao, friends.
I think it's terrible. The Army is terrible. I just aim and shoot, I just got them all the way down. And if I this is a dot. It's going to hit, but all you have to do is look at the red dot. Put the red dot where you want it to go. Okay? I'm going to show you. Right, get it in your shoulder. Keep your hand, your arm. Put your cheek and your foot right into the gun. Don't do this. Loud, right? But it doesn't kick very hard, okay? Put this hand, you don't hold it however. It gets this in your face. Put your face. You see that red dot? You see where it is right above this thing? Put the red dot wherever you want. And tell me when you're ready. Ready? Take this thing away. Don't put it on the trigger, just take it away. Finger on the trigger, put the red dot where you want it to go. Your face in a little closer. Like 3 inches towards the gun. There you go. You see that dot better? Yeah. In the middle of the box. Keep shooting until I tell you to stop. Face up in it. Very true. Where's the garbage bin? This is more in the directions you don't. All right.